Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand the concept of lambda function or anonymous function in Dart. The same concept we called lambda expression in Java also. So for that, I create a new file. I say 20. I say lambda function dot Dart. Here I say void main, and here I say lambda function, or we can say anonymous function. Both are same. Syntax, how can declare? We can declare like this, parenthesis, then curly bracket. So this is the only syntax like this, and I can use here different kind of comment so that you can understand it clearly. So this is the syntax. Remember, we have parameter. These are optionals like this, no name of this function, and like this we declare this. The return type, no name here. This is called lambda function or anonymous function in Dart. Now how to declare this? So I declare here upside. So I say this, I say n1, n2, int n1, int n2 like this, bracket. Here I say print sum equal to expression. I say num1 plus num2 like this. Now it's what is the problem? Because we have to pass this under the variable name. So I say var sum equal to this. Remember that we have to pass like this. Here I pass n1 and 2. Remember? So this is the function name, anonymous, because we do not have a name here, and this is the bracket. So we have to pass this function into a variable. So here I say semicolon also. So I'm passing this into the variable. Variable name is sum. Remember that it's not a function name. It is a variable name, like we have in JavaScript also. When we declare arrow function, so we pass into the constant variable. So we are passing here in a var. Remember? Now if I call it, so I say sum, and here you pass the value. So it look like a function, but remember, it's not a function, it is a variable. We are passing the address of this, reference of this anonymous function to this. Now I call it, I say dart run lambda, we have a result. Now one more way to do this, we have to define function class in Dart. So we say mul equal to, then I say n1 n2, I can say int n1 int n2 curly bracket like this, and I say print, then I say multiply equal to n1 to n2, and this should be curly bracket, not parenthesis. Okay, mul this, function class is this, semicolon is this. Remember that if you are not using any variable name like this, you can use the class function that is predefined for this. So if you declare this, this also become this class type, function type. So here I can use mul and I can pass the value, and if I run this, so I have like this. Remember? So this is the way to declare lambda function or anonymous function in Dart programming language. Remember this function class. You can create the object of this class mul, and this reference we are passing to this. If we are not using function class, then automatically this reference is also converting into function, because this is variable type of variable. It may have a address of this. This address will become, because in Dart we have the concept of classes. So this is returning the address of this class, the object of this class, and this object is going here. So this var will become the object of function class internally. Okay, you see that this is also like this. We have, and you see function and null value. Remember, the function is also declaring here that this is a return type function. Remember? So internally, implicitly, it is also function object, but we can say for understanding this is a variable name, but actually it's a some object name of function class. So like this you can do lambda functions and anonymous function in Dart. Remember that it is little bit different as compared to Java programming language and JavaScript programming language, but the concept is similar, concept is same. In Dart we have arrow function and lambda function, both are different, but in other languages all these concepts merge together and they become same. Arrow function, lambda expressions, both are same in other programming language, but here we have a different. So I think now you understand what is lambda function, what is arrow function, how to create lambda function, how to create arrow function. When we require these function, everything is clear. If everything is clear, please subscribe this channel, share this video, like this video, and thank you for watching this video.